We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced brand names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. Now, considering this is a German food and beverage brand, I guess some may argue that it should be said the German way, which is as Knorr, Knorr. Yes, the K is not silent. It is pronounced in German in Germany. Now in English, the K is generally made silent, and this is pronounced as Knorr, Knorr in British English, or Knorr, Knorr in American English, all of which is, again, from German, Knorr. It should be said really as Knorr. And now, you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting brand names and vocabulary, cooking vocabulary whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.